In JavaScript, a switch statement allows you to choose which block of code to run based on the value of a variable. For example, suppose we have an API that returns a number representing the day of the week. Using that number, we want to log the corresponding day to the console. While we could use a series of if-else statements, this approach can quickly become cluttered and difficult to read. This is where a switch statement comes in handy. Let's take a look at the syntax. We use the switch keyword followed by parentheses containing the expression to be evaluated. Inside curly braces, we define each case and its associated value, followed by a block of code that executes if the expression matches that value. A default case is specified to run if none of the case values match the expression. When a match is found, the code inside the case runs until a break statement is encountered. For example, if case 1 is executed, only the code inside case 1 will run because of the break statement right after it. However, if case 2 is executed, the code in case 2 will run along with the code in case 3, even if the expression did not match case 3. The first break statement encountered will exit the switch block. Now that we understand the syntax, let's convert our if-else mess into a switch statement. If we log this, we see it logs Sunday. If we change the number, the corresponding day is logged. And if we input a random string, the default case is logged. You might wonder why the break statement is important. It's useful for grouping several cases together. Let's say we have a grading system. We want to log different phrases based on the student's letter grade. If they got a D or F, we log work harder next time. If they got a B or C, we log great job, you passed. If they got an A, we log excellent work. This is the implementation of our grading system as a switch statement. We see that we don't need to use a block of code under each case like we would with an if-else block. This is due to the placement of break statements. If we input a D or C, it logs accordingly. B and A work as well. This is because the code under the case runs until it sees a break statement, so we can group several blocks of code under the same condition. And that's a wrap on the switch statement. It's a cleaner alternative to multiple if-else blocks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy coding.